Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best baby girl clothes for 18 to 24 months. The Mioglrie Baby Girl Clothes Newborn Dress Summer Toddler Girls Clothing Casual Sundress with a cute bag. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and practical outfit for your little princess, this dress might just be the perfect fit. First off, the fabric. This dress is crafted from a cotton blend that feels soft and breathable, making it ideal for warm summer days. The lightweight polyester material ensures that your baby stays comfortable all day long without feeling restricted or overheated. Parents will appreciate how skin-friendly and gentle it is, especially for sensitive baby skin. Design-wise, the Mioglrie dress truly stands out. It features adorable ruffle sleeves and a swing skirt that gives it a playful and charming look. What's more, it comes with a cute little bow-decorated bag, adding a touch of fun and uniqueness to the outfit. The vibrant strawberry print is lively and perfect for any casual outing or special occasion, making your baby girl look absolutely delightful. This outfit is extremely versatile. Whether you're preparing for a birthday party, a beach day, a holiday gathering, or even a family photo shoot, this sundress fits right in. It's also great as a coming-home outfit or for everyday wear, balancing style and comfort effortlessly. When it comes to convenience, the dress is easy to care for. It supports machine washing, which is a huge plus for busy parents, though hand washing is also an option for those who prefer it. The pull-on closure type makes dressing and undressing your toddler quick and hassle-free, saving you precious time. Sizing is available for a range of baby ages, including 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months, 12 to 18 months, and the all-important 18 to 24 months, so you can find the right fit as your child grows. This flexibility means you can enjoy the dress through several stages of your baby's development. Overall, the Mioglrie Baby Girl Sundress combines comfort, style, and practicality, making it a standout choice for parents shopping for baby clothes in the 18 to 24 month range. It's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality or design, and it's sure to make your little girl shine while keeping her happy and comfy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe for more honest insights on the best products out there. See you next time.